RINGSPANN Housing Freewheels. RINGSPANN, leading manufacturer of wide range of freewheel devices, offers solution and benefit for dual drive application. Petrochemical refinery and fertilizer plant with captive power plant has boilers. Boilers have dual drive fan for heating and hydraulic recovery system for pumping. Dual drive acts as energy-saving method and ensuring increased availability of the system. Dual drive fan system consists of motor drive at one end and turbine drive at another. RINGSPANN Housing Freewheel is fixed between drive arrangement for automatic engagement and disengagement of drive. In hydraulic recovery turbine system, the clutch is mounted between turbine and motor for disengaging turbine drive when motor is in operation, and transmits torque from turbine when motor is either switched off or on power-saving mode. FH design has input shaft, inner ring, cage with rollers, outer ring connected to output shaft and locking brake. Rotor assembly is fixed to housing with bearing support and filled with oil. During starting of the fan, when the motor starts, input shaft of clutch rotates the inner ring to locking direction and enables torque transmission to the output shaft connected to the fan. For the turbine side, as the rotation is from fan shaft connected to the output shaft of the clutch, outer ring pushes the rollers to disengaged condition and prevents rotation of the inner ring connected to the turbine shaft. During changeover of the driving source from the motor to turbine, speed at inner ring connected to the turbine gradually increases and reaches the synchronized speed of the fan. At this condition, the inner ring pushes the rollers to engaged condition, enabling torque transmission from the turbine. Dual drive systems are also used in applications in which uninterrupted power supply is required. Example: hospitals, computer centers, chemical plants, seawater desalination plants, and garbage incinerating plants. Special features of Housing Freewheel. Hydrodynamic roller lift-off design is main feature of all RINGSPANN Housing Freewheels and ideal solution for clutch in high-speed application. Principle of hydrodynamic lift-off design allows clutch to be operated at speed equal to or exceeding freewheel speed while driving. During freewheeling, rollers are pulled down the inner ring ramp due to oil fill, thereby allowing units to function without wear or heat generation. This action results in practically wear-free freewheel operation. Speed difference between inner and outer ring is the decisive factor affecting torque transmission. For ready locking, clamping rollers are guided in cage and positioned with the aid of the central spring system against the outer ring. As speed difference decreases, spring force also decrease and facilitate quick locking. This action guarantees immediate torque transfer once the synchronous speed is reached. Hydrodynamic roller liftoff enables virtually wear-free freewheeling operation and provides extended service life. Optional FHD design with quick disconnect feature of clutch allows physical separation of input and output shafts, allowing maintenance on non-driving equipment as per OSHA standard. By rotating lever to open position, inner ring with cage is pulled out of outer ring, removing cam and roller assembly from outer race, providing physical separation between both ends of clutch. Now input end cannot be back-driven by output end. This ensures that energized drive is disconnected from standby drive, even during system failure. Lever in locked position will ensure normal operating mode with cam and roller assembly in contact with outer race. In optional FHHS high-speed design, FHHS are completely enclosed freewheel, featuring sleeve bearings with circulating oil system and occasionally external oil cooling system for higher operating speeds. For high-speed application, babbited bearings achieve extended clutch service life. In optional with condition monitoring feature, clutch with vibration sensor, speed sensor, temperature sensor and diagnostic electronic can be provided for dynamic monitoring of clutch performance. Benefits of using RINGSPANN clutch are: ensures efficient and reliable energy recovery system, quick engagement, disengagement of drive without stopping the system, remove standby drive for maintenance without stopping the system, change oil without stopping the system, extended service life with RINGSPANN hydrodynamic lift-off design, FHD clutch with quick disconnect design as per OSHA standard.
FHHS high-speed clutch for speed range up to 12,000 RPM.
RINGSPANN worldwide presence ensures quick on-site service support, faster spare parts availability during emergency and breakdown situation. Your benefit is our motivation. Please visit RINGSPANN website for complete product range.